The Joanópolis House stands gracefully by the Jaguari Reservoir, offering sweeping views of a great Brazilian mountain range. The project reflects a dual relationship, embracing the vast landscape while countering the proximity of neighboring homes. This contrast inspired a binuclear layout, balancing openness to the external environment with the intimacy of a private retreat. A central courtyard defines the design, prioritizing an intermediary level as the main focus. This negative space, marked by what is intentionally not built, guided the placement of the two protecting nuclei around it. The rear nucleus, grounded to the earth, is semi-buried for leveling purposes, while the suspended front nucleus follows the natural terrain profile as a construction tool. Its lower slab was cast directly on the ground, eliminating the need for traditional scaffolding. After the upper slab cured, the underlying soil was excavated, revealing the elevated void below. Stone elements create intermediate terraces, retaining walls and visual barriers. These organic stone forms contrast the geometric rigidity of the concrete structure. At the entrance, two parallel stone paths meander into curving lines that culminate in a staircase leading to the courtyard level. The suspended front nucleus houses social spaces. Its expansive opening spans the entire width, framing panoramic views that include the iconic Pedra do Cume, standing over 1,700 meters tall. This sense of openness extends to a veranda at the corner of the lot, fostering a direct connection with the street. In contrast, the rear nucleus houses private bedrooms, emphasizing seclusion. Despite their spatial independence, both nuclei are structurally interdependent. Large connecting beams anchor the rear nucleus to support the suspension of the front, akin to a lever. The substantial beams of the front nucleus conceal an upper-level space accessed via a helical staircase. This level features a garden, a solarium, and a pool perched above the veranda's projection. The house asserts itself as a brutalist monolith, with luxurious, expansive openings that frame the surrounding landscape. It masterfully balances the raw beauty of concrete with the warmth of its connection to the environment, harmonizing the beauty and usability of the architecture. The design captivates onlookers with its bold presence, while offering a serene and functional sanctuary for those within.